Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I am Anisita Isbungkak, 42 years old, widow, and high school graduate. I would like to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family, especially the future of my children.
Okay, Mrs. Bungkak, there are some questions for you to be answered. When the employer gets angry to your mistake and shout to you, what will you do?
If my employer angry with me, I say sorry and I promise not to do it again.
Okay, if baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
If the baby cries at midnight, I will check the diaper. If it is full, I will change it. Or if the baby is hungry, I will feed the baby. Then I will check all over body temperature.
Okay, what will you do with the clothes before washing?
Before I wash the clothes, I will check all the pockets if it is anything lifted, especially money or jewelry. And I will separate the color to the white.
Okay, very good. If you find some money or jewelry in your employer's clothes or in their room, what will you do?
If I found money or jewelry from their clothes or rooms, I have no doubt to return it immediately.
Okay. If any serious matter happened to your family, will you go home?
Even if it is painful or make me hurt, I won't go home. Because on the first place, it's too far and very expensive to go home. Only I can do is to send them money and pray.
Okay. After hanging the clothes outside for drying, but now it's going to rain, what will you do?
If I hang the clothes outside and the rain is going, I will take off the clothes and put inside the house.
Okay. Mrs. Bungkak, will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, I will. It's my pleasure.
Okay. Mrs. Bungkak, what is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, madam, if you choose me to be your helper, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I'll be loyal to you. Thank you, sir, madam, and have a nice day.